I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Rally on the rise again. Roaring lions roar again. The runs of our hearts and our voices go high. Hills and valleys we echo a cry. When we sing this song, the people revive. Sarah Young will rise again. Yes, massive and cool. I'm supposed to be the grandpa. I just want to let you know that the place to be on New Year's Eve is Busch Garden. It's a live nature fiesta.
The boy QD, Southmost Wanted. You already know. On the 31st December, when on New Year's Eve, the place to be at the Busch Garden. As they never forget the nature live fiesta. You know, which a lot of artists never can conclude their talent.
Nyagbandigo kolo saputo kena gajo kotiya magaji bidi pego ta go. Ejari be ba wibe ke be da lo la pe be bi ga ni lo pa da po. Ju re ko mula ke sale ko mi da kina bi mu sa ti abu ni ya ko le ya. Ga ko yo pe be ni na pe go ele ni ko ta be la ko ta ta ti ya. December 31st ni na ba ina. The Busch Garden.
This our Lord winner started for the bottom and I made it to the top. You know I don't need introduction. You know everybody good news already where the management of Busch Garden they bring. You know the first annual Nature Life Fiesta we get for happen at Busch Garden. In fact, I place standing for day each and every other time as you see the place too natural and all that. So December 31st, remember the date. If you want Naka way young, way old, let remember you. Decide where you for come. Now Busch Garden.
So boys, now we do it, man. So December 31st, for the first time, Nature Life Fiesta, the place to be Busch Garden. And it will be massive, classic, different acts for day all over the country. So don't miss out. December 31st, the place to be Busch Garden. We have to do it.